So today we're heading to the Mull of Galloway. It's about an hour and a half from where I live. It's the southernmost point in Scotland, believe it or not, and there's a cracking lighthouse down there. Ted, this peninsula is called the Mull of Galloway. I only live about an hour from here, maybe an hour and a half. I've never been here. It's like a different world. It's just weird. Weird in a good way. I found a little beach on Hartford night. Get some decent reviews. It's pretty isolated. So I'm heading down there. I'm probably about half an hour away. So hopefully it's a decent wee spot. That's us arrived at our park up. It's a decent park up. There's maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other vans here, but there's plenty of space. It's pissing a rain though, that's the only downside. So that's the view from the window. There's a cracking little beach down there, and then up on that hill up there, I don't know if you can see, there's the lighthouse up there, so I'll be able to walk up that little path along that road and up to the lighthouse, hopefully later today if the rain goes off. If not, tomorrow hopefully I'll get up there for a little look. Aye, the weather's pretty shite just now. Hopefully it'll clear up. It's hard to believe it's the 4th of August now. That's us back at the van, soaked to the bone. Soaked to the bone. So I'm just going to get changed. So good morning. Slept okay last night. So did Ted. No troubles, no hassles. Although Ted's getting a bit stressed out because we're getting surrounded by coos. You're a coos out there. You're a wee coos. Coos everywhere. Anyway. The weather's a bit of a washout, so I'm going to make a coffee and then we're going to head up, go a little walk up to this lighthouse. But it's been pretty shit this trip. Park up's been good though, nice and quiet, peaceful, right on the beach. But I won't be able to get the drone up today. It's too windy, too wet. But aye, so I'll make a coffee, get that down my throat, and then we'll go a walk. Go a wee walk. So that's where I'm supposed to be walking to today. I don't think that's going to happen. It's still very windy, but at least it's dry. This way, Ted. Right, we've got some visitors. Some wee coos. They're backing up. Right, I've pondered this long enough. The weather's not going to get any better, and this lighthouse is becoming my nemesis. So, put my bits on. I've put my wet clothes on from yesterday. They're stinking and still soaking wet. But hey, let's do this. Let's get this lighthouse done and dusted. Let's do it. It's dry, it doesn't look dry. It's very windy though. It will get there. Lighthouse is up that road somewhere. In the mist. In the Scotch mist. Van is down in there somewhere. Hope you can hear me for this wind. Anyway, onwards and upwards. Starting to get a bit sketchy up here. Visibility is pretty bad, and still can't see the lighthouse, although I can hardly see 10 feet in front of me. Can see the sea again. Can't be far away now. I think I'm going to lose my hat in a minute. It's a whale, June. It's the 5th of August. It's got to be 40, 50 mile an hour wind. Oh. I think I found the lighthouse. I think I found the lighthouse. Can barely see it. Oh. Well, there it's there. I don't know if you can see it, but aye. All this way for that. Pretty anticlimax if you ask me. Let's get down here. Unfortunately the weather is terrible. Hence is why obviously that's why they've built a lighthouse there. Oh, there it's there. Finally got to it. But holy moly, the weather is shocking. Let's have a wee walk down here, see what we can see. Oh, not much, obviously. The lighthouse. This way, Ted. What's that clown down here? Well, all that way for that. What a disappointment. But hey, we got here, we didn't give up. Well, let's head back to the van, I suppose. I bet in an hour or so it'll have cleared up. But I'm not hanging about that long. But on the positive side, my shirt's now dry. So are my trousers. I'm really sorry if the sound's pretty shit, but it's very windy. It's very windy. Viewpoint. Nope, nothing to see. Well, that was the Mull of Galloway lighthouse, if that's what it's called. Well, anyway, that's what it's supposed to look like when it's sunny. But over here, it says it's closed, and so I wouldn't have been able to fly the drone anyway. But I reckon if it was a decent day I could have flown it from where the van is. I could have flown it around the coastline, but again, that's a job for another day. I thought it was going to clear up there, but it ain't going to clear up today. But I'll definitely come back here another day. Let you see the lighthouse, but hey, a lighthouse is a lighthouse. It's a decent wee setup, this. Nice and secluded. Very secluded, actually. Tide's out. Tempted to go on a swim. The only real downside to this park up is the little road down to it. It's pretty rough, pretty steep, but there's a caravan there, a couple of campers, there's a big Heimer thing down there, so it's pretty rough, but it's doable. You're nice and slow, it's doable. I'm really tempted to go in that sea. So we made it back to the van, and I think I'm going to go for a swim. Wish me luck. Lighthouse is behind me, I know that. That's good. That's good. Waking you up in the morning.
Just
Well, that was a decent park up. Enjoyed that. Enjoyed my dip in the sea also. But I put my drone up. Against my better judgment, I put it up. Try and get a little bit of footage of that beach and little bay. And it ended up in the sea. So I lost my drone. I'm pretty gutted about that. But hey, it was a cheap drone. Try saying that. It was a cheap drone. Well, relatively cheap. So I'll need to invest in another one, save up some cash and get another drone. But it was a shame, but it was too windy, far too windy. I shouldn't have done it. I thought the wind had died down a little bit. Obviously, by the time it got out to sea, it was just took a nosedive into the sea. Ah! But hey ho, you live and you learn. But anyway, that was good park up. Just realised there's so much in Scotland that I haven't seen. And I'd like to believe that I've seen a lot. I've travelled quite a lot. But I've not travelled a lot in Scotland, so I think it's time we remedied that. So that's us coming to the end of this week's video. If you've enjoyed it, give us a like, hit that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so, because it helps the channel. And if you like this one, you'll maybe like this one here. Give it a little watch. Till next time.